How to recover deleted Viber messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, click on Account. Then click on Viber Backup. After that, make sure everything is backed up in here by pressing on Backed Up. In my case, I've already backed up, so there's no option. After that, uninstall the Viber app and reinstall it again. Then, press on Start Now and add your number. After you've done all the process, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Connect to Google Drive. After you do this, the backed up you earlier did will back up everything and restore everything, including chats, photos, and videos. And this is how to recover deleted Viber messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.